Assalamu alaikum. We will talk about the cuff technique. What's meaning of cuff technique? If you have sneezing or coughing, you will use the tissue. So always after you cover your mouth to sneeze or cough, you will throw it at the garbage. So if you don't have tissue, what you will do? You will use your upper sleeve. Why you're using your upper sleeve, not the hand? Because the hand is mostly contaminated, because you touch all the thing always, and maybe you will touch your nose or mouth, so all the thing will be infected, because that you're using your upper sleeve. So if you have coughing or sneezing, you should use the surgical mask, so you will protect the other from having any infection. So always if you have coughing or sneezing, you will use the tissue. You will throw it directly in the garbage. If you don't have, you will use your upper sleeve. You will wear surgical mask. Always don't forget to do hand hygiene. Either you will do hand rubbing or hand washing. So this is the cuff technique.